Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can post anything on your Facebook profile. For this, you have to open your Facebook account, which is mine is already logged in. So you can either click here and post anything you want, or you can click on button plus icon. You can type anything in here. You can also select the background you want and tap on post. Now you can see here your post has been posted. You can like, see insights, you can share from here, you can comment on this post, and that's how you can upload or post anything on your Facebook profile.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.